Gonna paint this with this beautiful blue color. It's for sheet metal or metal. And first I'm just gonna clean it with the acetone. I'm not gonna sandpaper it down. The color seems to be stuck really good, so. And this color I think will attach to this one pretty fine. So, got 4 more of these Effektiv cabinet drawers, and I'm gonna try it different on this one and sand it down with a P320 just to see if it's stuck better than. So these handles are metal of some sort. Probably, don't know, they seem to be gjutna. I'll sand them all 4 down. So I have grinded them down to a more rustic look all over. And now it's time to clean them with acetone. It's pure. So the color comes off really fast, so it's probably water-based. It's nothing holding it back. It's definitely not 2K varnish. Klarlack, as you say, 2 komponents klarlack, as you say in Sweden. Then it wouldn't lose. Simple. They do it fast and they do it cheap. So that's pretty much it. I will paint it with the blue color again. I like that.